This is going to be the journey of moving into our dream condo here in Bangkok, Thailand. Stay tuned. Baby, are you excited?
Very excited.
Hey guys, we just finished packing everything. It only took about an hour, which is insanely fast. Definitely gonna miss this place. One last look at the bedroom and the nice view. So the company I use is RK. They did it so fast, in just like an hour. I highly recommend it. Super, super professional. I'll have their information down in the description if you're interested. Okay guys, we just made it to the new condo. Actually, a lot of this is gonna be for the first time that I'm seeing this, so let me show you guys. Welcome to our new, huge 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom condo here in Tongla. Now, as you can see, this place is absolutely huge. And all this furniture you see here was provided by the owner, so we'll be able to pick and choose which furniture we like, which ones we want to give back. And as you can see throughout the rest of this video, we'll be pretty much swapping almost everything. Now, this is our huge kitchen. We have a huge fridge. And it does look a bit outdated, so I'm probably gonna do some maybe vinyl wrap or something to try to modernize it a bit. But yeah, the space is absolutely huge. And now this was our main selling point. Oh guys, this is insane. This is my first time seeing all this. Oh, they have like, baby, did you see it's like sakura. Oh, oh my gosh. Bro, look at this. This is a real tree. This is sakura. I don't know what this is, but man, it's so aesthetic. And then my dog can just pee out here every day. Ah, this is so high quality, like grassing too. This is one piece of huge grass. Wow, and then we have our fencing system. We have this like kind of security, that way people don't, climb over and come into my place. We have a 70-inch TV. That's absolutely huge. So now let me take you to our first bedroom. Now this is our first bedroom, and as you can see, it's quite big. A lot of luxury condos that are like 35 square meters, it's like the same size. We have this absolutely huge bathroom with this huge bathtub. You could honestly do like some ice plunges here. And yeah, I just really like that kind of concrete finish. It kind of has like some sort of Bali vibe to me. And then we have the storage closet room where we can do our laundry. And now this is our second bedroom where we're actually going to convert to a home office. And as you can see, it has another huge bathroom. So this is our new home, guys. Throughout the next series of episodes, we're just going to be completely redesigning this place, making it truly feel like our home. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and unwrap and unbox some IKEA things, some Lazada things, and kind of furnish up a little bit. Guys, look at our amazing Japanese-esque tree.
It's not Japanese.
I know, but it looks Japanese. So this is pretty much what we're working with right now. But yeah, slowly but surely we're making some progress. Honestly, guys, I am not an interior designer. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Just taking some inspiration from like all the hours on Pinterest and looking on TikTok of people's homes. I like the idea of kind of like projecting the light on this lamp as a kind of showcase. I'm not too sure if it works. Time to just relax, enjoy some Netflix. The first night here, I could not ask for more. I'm so grateful, man. This was literally my dream come true, to just have a house. This isn't a house, but it feels like a house, especially with the backyard, especially with the dog, especially with the loving girlfriend. This is a huge passion project of mine, man. Now I'm gonna be a homebody. Now I'm like literally never gonna leave the house. This TV is freaking huge. Oh my gosh, this is insane. All right, guys, we decided to replace this table actually because I found a really good deal on Facebook Marketplace. All right, guys, check it out. We just got this sweet looking table. Wow, perfect size. Only $30. Mike just decided to stop by. What do you think of the place, Mike?
Love the crib. Yeah, actually, I'm right above pool.
Yeah, so we'll be seeing each other a lot. 3 hours, we're finally done. This doesn't even include the couch that we just bought for 7,000 baht. You know, some people like shopping, some people like spending money. And for me, it's a little painful, you know. We're gonna see how much this costs in just a second. And we're gonna get this all delivered to our condo. Let's go. All right, guys, its total came out to 20,500 baht. I'll make this back. This is definitely the most I've ever spent on furniture. All right, guys, 20,000 baht. Got all this stuff, but very well worth it. The money will come. You gotta have an abundance mindset. So I cannot wait to go and furnish this place at home.
Now, by the way, when traveling abroad, you should always use a VPN. It's the best way to keep your connection secure, protect your personal information, and access content from any corner of the globe without limits. That's why I've been using NordVPN for years, both as a digital nomad whenever I travel and both while living abroad here in Thailand. As a traveler or expat, you're going to be connecting to a lot of public Wi-Fi in places like cafes, airports, and hotels. But here's the thing, these networks can be very risky. Hackers can set up fake Wi-Fi hotspots that look legitimate, giving them the ability to intercept everything from your passwords to your credit card details. NordVPN ensures that your data stays encrypted no matter what connection you're on or wherever you are. Plus, it lets you bypass regional content restrictions, perfect for streaming your favorite shows or accessing services from back home while you're abroad. For the price of just 1 cup of coffee a month, you can protect yourself with NordVPN today. And right now, you'll get 4 extra months free on a 2-year plan when using my special link, nordvpn.com/PaulLee. Make sure to use my code PaulLee during checkout. And the best part is that there's a 30-day risk-free money-back guarantee, so you essentially have nothing to lose. You can check it out, link in the description.
All right, guys, it is 2 days later. We just received our new couch, so we're gonna replace our old couch right here. Hopefully try and get rid of this and sell it.
Papa, you're a girl. What are you doing?
All right, guys, we don't just have a bathtub, right? We actually have a jacuzzi, so check this out. Just push this button right here. We have multiple LED options. Just look at that, that is insane. And that's not the best part. The best part is when I push this button right here. Look at that. We have our very own jacuzzi. How insane is this? We have our own jacuzzi right in our condo. That is crazy. Look at that. We can adjust the intensity right here. Wow, that is crazy. All right, guys, it is about a week later. I just received these extra shipments. We're gonna go and unbox this, and then I'm gonna show you what has happened and what has changed in the past week or so of living here. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Nice. So we got this rug here. This is 200 times 300 centimeters. We got this huge wall divider. I'm gonna be using this for my office. So let me show you guys the vision I have in mind. And before I do that, let me just show you guys what I'm working with and what has since changed. So we have the table oriented like this, and we decided to put the main couch, the white couch here, and then we actually bought this couch on IKEA. This one was about 6,000 or 7,000 Thai baht, I believe. And then we got this nice brown wooden table. This was about 1,000 baht on Facebook Marketplace. We got this IKEA stool table right here. And then I've kind of redesigned this bookshelf area to be a little bit more minimal. And then moving on to our entertainment area, we have a lot more plants. I wanted to add a lot more greenery to the space. And yeah, I think it's a nice touch. I also got a piano. I got this new electric keyboard. This is around 9,000 baht right here. So right now, the only thing really missing in this living room, as you can see, is the carpet. So we're gonna attempt to install that right now.
So good.
I mean, for the price I paid for this, it's a very good deal actually. So that's the completed look. Wow, actually very happy with the purchase. All right guys, this is what we have right now for the office room. It is almost finished. The only thing I'm waiting for is I bought these wooden fluted wall panels right there, as you can see. So I'm still waiting for that. And I also have the rug. So if you're curious how I set this up, I used ChatGPT. And I basically sent them a picture of my room right here. So this is what it looked like before. And then I just basically give it a prompt, enhance my office room, add a light blue rug. So this is what we have here. We have the work desk in a feng shui position facing the door. So this is what we have right now. And we've kind of hidden the bathroom area. And I also put the acoustic panels right there. And yeah, it's definitely a work in progress, but yeah, I'm liking how it's looking so far. All right, just came home, did a little bit of shopping, and I thought to show you guys that the light that they installed this a couple days ago. Look at it here. So as you can see, you can't see anything, and then turn this light on, boom. It's so bright. It's such a nice touch. Man, this patio, this backyard is really the selling point, because you never see backyards in Bangkok. So we went to Muji, got this home fragrance diffuser. I also got another one. So this one is the white tea fragrance oil. And then we got the rattan sticks. All right, now to designate them to each room. I think I definitely need to put some more plants here or something. Yeah, as you can see, the bedroom is definitely a work in progress. So I'm not even gonna do a huge tour, but I'll show you the closet situation we have here. We actually picked these up all on Facebook Marketplace for about 1,500 each. And then here we have the restroom. That's pretty charming in my opinion. And yeah, overall it's just very spacious. So yeah, this was a tour of my dream home. Let me know what you guys think. I think for me, honestly, it's always gonna be a work in progress, so it's never gonna be finished. And if you guys kind of like this kind of vloggy style videos where they're kind of slower paced, then let me know and I'll start to make more videos like this, because usually my videos are very like fast, like high production, whereas this video is kind of more casual. So let me know if you like this video, and then follow me on Instagram at I'm Paul Lee, and I'll see you guys in the next video.